Question number 121. In question number 121, we have a machine learning type and the answer area, right? So the statement, we have a few statement, means we have a three statement. All the three statement, we need to identify, we see which machine learning type statement belongs, right? So first statement is separate image of polar bear and brown bear, right? So the polar bear and brown bear means they're the two category. We have to categorize which one belong from which category. So for this, is this a form belongs from facial detection? No, facial detection is used to face. Face recognition, this is recognize the face. Image classification, yes, this is the part of the image classification. In image classification, we classify the image in which group it's belong, right? So first statement is belong from the image classification. Second statement is determine the location of bear in the photo. So determine the image, yeah, determine the bear from the photo is the part of the object detection. Means the throughout the image where object is present, this is the part of the object detection. And statement 3 determine which pixels in an image are the part of beer. So this is, as I earlier told, that the semantic segment is the part of that one. In the semantic segment, we can identify which pixel the object is present. So first statement for the image classification, second statement for the object detection, and third statement it belongs from the semantic segment. Question number 122. You use fonts to identify where weeds grow between rows of crops to send an instruction for the removal of the weeds. This is the example of which type of the computer vision. So we need to identify where weeds grown between the rows of crops so that we can identify and we can remove that one. So for that, is it used as the character OCR? No, optical character recognition is not part. Optical character recognition is the part of scanner, form recognition, or wherever we have to identify a QR code, are there, are characters, are there, signature are there, there where we use the OCR. So option D is incorrect. Option C, scene segment. No, this is not scene segment. I never listen. Right. Where is object detection? Yes, this is the part of the object detection. We can identify the object where it is, and so that we can remove the weeds, right? Or remove the crops or whatever we want to remove, some weeds or anything, right? So this is the part of that one. So correct answer is option A. Question number 123. This is the task and their statement, means which task belong from the which statement. So first statement is the two images of the face belong to the same person. Is this belong from the grouping? Is this belong from the identification or similarity or verification? So this is the part of the verification. By the verification, we verify which images belong from the which person, right? Statement 2, does this person look like other people? Is it like similar or similarity? So for that, we use the similarity task, right? Statement 3, do all the face belongs together? Is this belong from grouping, right? And statement 4, who is the person in this group of the people? Is this belong from the C? We have already used verification, similarity, and grouping. So what we have left? we have left identification. So for the last statement, it will belong from identification. Question number 124. This is a means our left hand side workload type and right hand side there is a statement. So we need to identify which workload type is belongs from the which statement. So statement one is the identify celebrity is an image. To identify celebrities from the image is the part of the face recognition, right? Statement two, exact movie title name from the movie poster image. Is this part of the OCR? Yes, this is the part of the OCR. Statement 3, locate vehicle in the image. So identify the location. This is the part of the object detection. See, all the things means facial recognition, image classification, object detection, and OCR. For all these three, four, we have already discussed many times, and for this, there are different question came, and we discussed. Even I explained some example as well. So I am not explaining here once again. If you want to know about all these four facial recognition, image classification, object detection, you can go the previous questions as well as you can go all the definition with the example I give in the overview and their definition context means concept video I already created. You can go there and read and understand. Right. So the correct answer here is the for statement one, identify celebrity is the facial recognition. Statement two, exact movie title name from the movie poster is OCR, and statement three, locate vehicle image is the object. Right. Question number 125. You need to determine the location of car in the image so that you can estimate the distance between the car. Which type of the computer vision should you use? Option A, OCR, option B, object detection, option C, image classification, option D, face detection. So what is the question asked? Question is asking for you need to determine the location of car in the image so that you can estimate the distance between the car. This means to identify and locate where the car is within the image, not just recognize. That is something. Once again, I can explain about the options. OCR is used to detect and extract the text from image. Object detection is used to identify what objects are present and where they are in the image, right? And option C, classification. Image classification is used for the labeling the entire image, but does not locate it, right? And where the face detection is, this is especially to identify the face, human face, not car, right? So correct answer is option B. Question number 126. You can use the, you have to select some drop down, computer vision, custom vision, form recognition, video indexer. For what service to train an object and detection model by using own image. So in this question, we have service that is used to train the object detection model, right? To using own image. So for that, a custom vision is the perfect. Why? Because if you want to train your own object detection model using own set of image, so for that there is the Azure AI service that is the Azure custom vision, which is the perfect, right? So correct answer is custom vision. Question number 127. What are two tasks that can be performed by using the computer vision service? Each correct answer presents the complete solution. Note each correct selection is the worth of 1 point. A. Train a custom image classification model. B. Detect face in the image. C. Recognize the handwriting text. Option D. Translate the text in the image between the language. So what is the question asked? Question is asking for Azure Computer Vision service that provide pre-built AI capability to analyze the image and extract the information. You don't need to train your own model, right? Remember, there is no need to train your own model. So option A, train a custom image classification model. This is done using by the custom vision, not by the computer vision, right? Option B, detect the face in the image. That is the computer vision can detect the face through the face API using the recognition identification. So option B is the correct option. Option C, recognize the handwriting text. This is the also part of the computer vision and performed by the OCR and including handwriting and recognition. So option C is also correct. Whereas option D, translate the text in the image between the language. That is required to translate service, not for the computer vision. So correct answer is option B and option C. Question number 128. What is the use case for the classification? Option A, predicting how many cups of coffee a person will drink based on how many hours the person slept the previous night. Option B, analyze the content of image and grouping image that have a similar color. Option C, predicting whether the someone using the bicycle to travel to work based on the distance from the home to work. Option D, predicting how many minutes it will take someone to run a race based on the past racing time. So here it's asking about the use case of the classification. For the classification, it is very common that the classification is used to supervise machine learning task where the model predict the category outcome, right? So that is assign the data and discrete the classes. So option A, predicting numeric value. This is the part of the regression, not for the classification, because predicting how many cups means it may be six, seven, eight, or more than one, or zero. So this is the part of the regression, not the classification. Option B, analyze image. That is the part of clustering or grouping, right? Whereas option C, predicting whether someone is using bicycle to travel to work. This is predict the category, means categorical outcomes. Like yes, it can we go by the bicycle or can we go by the car, right? So this is the part of the category. So our correct answer is option C. Whereas option D, predicting how many minutes. This is also part of the regression. So correct answer is option C. Question number 129. What are two tasks that can be performed by using the computer vision? Each correct answer present a complete solution. A. Predict stock price. Option B. Detect brands in an image. Option C. Detect the color scheme in an image. Option D. Translate text between the language. Option E. Extract key phrase. So what is the question asked? The question asked is the Azure Computer Vision Service is designed to analyze the image and extract the information such as object, brand, color, and the visual feature. So for that option A, predict stock price. This is the part of the regression, right? For each task, not computer vision, right? Option B, detect brand in an image. Computer vision can identify logo, brands from image. So option B is the correct. Whereas option C, detect the color scheme from an image. This is also the part of the computer vision can extract the domain, color scheme, and the visual feature. So B and C is the correct. Where option D, translate text. This is required the translate service, not for the computer vision. Whereas option E, extract key phrase. This is the text analytics task, not for the computer vision. So correct answer is option B and option C. Question number 130. You need to build an image tagging solution for the social media that tag an image for your friend automatically. Which Azure Cognitive Service should you use? A face, B form recognition, C text analytics, C computer vision. So as we are covered approx 129 question till now. So I don't think for this we need to explain, but once again I am explaining all these things. Build an image tagging solution for the social media and tag an image for your friend automatically. it is the part of the Azure computer vision, right? Automatically image tagging means we have to identify the object, people, and their activity. Yeah. Face detection is the part to locate and identify the people in image for recognizing friend or means face of the friend. This is the part of the face API as well. So correct answer is option D. That is the computer vision. Right. Rest 3 is not because face is not part of that one. So form recognition is part of the form. Text analytics, that is the analytics, right? So computer vision is the perfect answer.